Xiaomi G20 versus G20 Lite. Which one should you buy? Two vacuums, one brand, and a choice that could change how you clean. Meet the Xiaomi G20 and its budget-friendly sibling, the G20 Lite. Let's dive into what makes them different and which one's right for you. First up, the Xiaomi G20. This is Xiaomi's flagship smart vacuum for 2025, built for power, precision, and performance. With high functioning power, advanced HEPA filtration, and smart scheduling via app, it's designed to tackle deep cleans in large homes. Need endurance? The G20 runs up to 65 minutes on a single charge. That's enough to clean multiple rooms without stopping. Control it from your phone, schedule cleanups while you're out, and enjoy quieter operation. Thanks to Xiaomi noise reduction tech, it's smart, sleek, and surprisingly intuitive. Of course, premium features come at a premium price, but if you've got carpets or a big space to clean, the G20 earns its keep. Now let's talk about the G20 Lite. It's lighter, simpler, and easier on your wallet, but still packs enough punch for everyday messes. With moderate suction and a runtime around 45 minutes, the Lite is perfect for quick cleanups in smaller homes or apartment. You still get app support but fewer bells and whistles. No advanced scheduling or deep clean modes, just reliable, straightforward cleaning. At nearly half the price of the G20, the Lite is a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers who want Xiaomi reliability without the extras. So here's the bottom line. Go for G20 if you want power, smart features, and longer time. Choose G20 Lite if you need a lightweight, affordable vacuum for everyday use. Xiaomi G20 series gives you options. Whether you're deep cleaning a family home or tidying up a studio flat, there's a vacuum here for you.